In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Uppromote affiliate marketing for Shopify. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can get your affiliate program up and running without any headaches. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify admin. You should be looking at your store's dashboard. From here, head to the left-hand sidebar and click on Apps. This is where you manage everything you've installed and where you'll find new tools to extend your store's capabilities. Inside Apps, use the search bar to look for Uppromote. You'll see it listed as an affiliate marketing solution designed for Shopify. Click on Uppromote to open its page, then select Install. Shopify will show you the permissions the app needs in order to work properly, such as accessing orders to track commissions. Take a moment to review those details, then confirm to continue. The install only takes a moment. Once Uppromote opens for the first time, you'll land on its setup experience. Simply follow the prompts on your screen. The app guides you through the essentials so you don't have to guess what comes next. You'll typically be asked to confirm your store information and choose default settings for your affiliate program. This is where you define how you want affiliates to be rewarded, like a percentage of each sale. If you're unsure, start with a straightforward commission and keep it consistent while you learn what works for your business. As you move through the prompts, you'll see options to customize your affiliate sign-up page and portal. Keep your messaging clear and friendly so potential partners know what you offer and how they'll get credit for referrals. If there's a place to upload your logo or banner, add simple branding to make it look trustworthy and on-brand. You may also see options for discount codes or referral links. These help the app track affiliate performance, so choose the format that best fits how your audience shops. After the initial setup, take a moment to explore the dashboard. You'll find sections for managing affiliates, viewing clicks, sales and commissions, and handling payouts. If you're just getting started, focus on the basics. Confirm that tracking is enabled, your commission settings look right, and your sign-up page is live. Most importantly, save your changes as you go. That's it. Open your Shopify store, go to Apps, find Uppromote, install it, and then let the on-screen prompts walk you through setup. Explore the app at your own pace and fine-tune your program as you learn what drives results. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building your affiliate program with Uppromote.